Hello, good evening, guys. You can see this beautiful water fountain at Millennium Mall. It's in Baner. We have a Inox as well as lots of brands here. Very, very beautiful weather today. Sunday, lots of people are here for shopping. Lots of facilities here, lifestyle, Samsung, Marks inside. Yeah, you can see this one, very beautiful. People are enjoying shopping. You can see around loads of crowd is here, a flourished area. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel Atul Exploration of the World. You get loads of videos like this. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Thank you very much. Atul Exploration of the World. You'll get loads of American, European, as well as Far East videos and Middle East videos. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Bonjour.